All right, YouTube world. I'm back, and this is about the Nitro. I just posted a video. Nitro all fixed up, paperwork, couple $1,000s out my pockets. The very next day, the check engine light comes on. That was today. I posted the video. It was raining, rainy day for the Dodge Nitro. Check engine light is on. Gear to ratio incorrect. Now, as I'm driving home later tonight, just got home, check engine light goes away. But my dilemma is this. It's no check engine light, right? But I still got 2 codes. So, can somebody tell me what's going on? I need answers, because this Nitro is driving me crazy.